Welcome to the laser channel. Here, let me take care of this right away. Much better. Today's video is going to be a product review on the Zeeksaw handheld battery operated saw. Welcome back to the laser channel. This product review is going to be on the Zeeksaw. I had this sent to me a couple of weeks ago, and I finally got some beautiful weather to come out behind the recording studio where you normally see all of my videos. The first thing I'd like to share with you about the Zeeksaw is its lightweight. This comes in at under 3 pounds. This lightweight makes it perfect for men and women and adults of all ages. Let's take a look at everything that is included with this case. And this is a nice quality hard shell case to store everything and all the accessories when this is not in use. Comes with a nice color manual, a second battery, a pair of safety glasses, a screwdriver to help set the tension of the blade, and of course a very nice charger. It has an indicator light to let you know when the battery is done charging, some gloves for when you're using the saw and primarily when handling freshly cut wood that's going to be full of sap, can keep your hands clean. And it also includes an extra chain blade. So this chainsaw kit has 2 batteries, 2 blades, a nice pair of tinted safety glasses, some tools, some gloves, and this nice hard shell case, making it one of the best outfitted battery operated hand saws on the market today. When I received this, I asked my neighbor who works with chainsaws quite a bit what to look for when purchasing a good quality chainsaw. And he mentioned the 2 top things to look for is a fast chain speed. This chain speed on this unit is 22 inches per second, which is plenty to cut through all types of wood. The second thing he mentioned is it must have a good quality chain. If it doesn't have that, nothing else really matters. And this unit from Zeeksaw comes with 2 very high quality 6-inch chains. The 2 high capacity batteries that are included with the saw offer long battery life for any job. Here I've got a branch that was cut down from the neighbor's tree about 2 weeks ago, and I thought this will be a perfect test for the Zeeksaw. Having a sharp blade that's included on the Zeeksaw makes sure that I don't have to push the saw through the work. I can just let the saw and the blade do the work for me. The Zeeksaw is definitely my new favorite saw. I'll be putting this to good use for cleaning up any branches that fall in my yard, and I'll definitely be taking it along for camping to clear out any brush around my campsite. Thanks for watching, and until we meet again, learn, create, and share.